best kayakers in the world race down S-turn in the semifinals of the North Fork Championship on the Payette River.
There's a lot of big waves and holes that are trying to stop you, and you really need to find your way through those waves and find your smooth line. It's not only about paddling hard, but also about having clean lines. So it's complex, it's hard, and it's the best race in the world.
Spaniard Aniol Sarasolsis is the defending champ and one of the favorites, along with his brother Gerd.
The best of the world are here, and whoever wins this event will not only be the king of the North Fork, but king of the world, you know.
The prestige of the North Fork is on the rise. This year it's the Extreme Kayaking World Championship. And with the new format, it all adds up to nearly double the competitors.
The new format definitely had some ups and downs, but one of the upsides is that it really allowed a lot more European paddlers to feel like they could come over and have a chance of doing well.
Let's go, like Austrian Andy Brunner, who finished with the 12th fastest time in the opening round.
My high setup goal is like get into the finals, like the top 20.
Dane Jackson remains a favorite. He has been a fixture in the top 5, including back-to-back wins before Aniol beat him last year.
A lot of pressure was on, but I'm pretty fired up how I did today, and I was hoping I can paddle tomorrow.
On Saturday, the top 20 men and 10 women will go for the crown on the toughest section of the Payette River to see who has the fastest blades in the water.
Jacob Ladder is one of the sickest rapids in the world.
Steve Dent, 6 on your side.